Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about Samsung Galaxy S23. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S23 will likely be the first big phone launch of 2023, and even though we followed all of the leaks with a keener eye than Sherlock Holmes, there's still a lot we need to know about the upcoming flagship phone. Save for its supposedly lightning-fast processor, the Galaxy S23 is not expected to be a huge upgrade over the Galaxy S22 in any way, from the base model up through the Galaxy S23 Plus. Even the top-shelf Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra isn't expected to get many big feature bumps. The design of the Galaxy S23 will likely be near identical to today's models, except that the base model Galaxy S23 will reportedly lose its larger camera bump in favor of Galaxy S22 Ultra-style cutouts for the camera. Otherwise, the screen size will seemingly be the same for each phone, and the frame is thought to measure nearly identical dimensions. Head over to our full Samsung Galaxy S23 versus S23 Plus versus S23 Ultra breakdown for a whistle-stop tour of the rumored key differences. That isn't to say there's nothing to get excited about. As alluded to above, Qualcomm has been champing at the bit to show off its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in a Samsung Galaxy S23, and it's also been dropping hints that Samsung will be quitting Exynos across the globe in favor of a unified Qualcomm front. We're also hearing a lot of excitement over the new camera in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung could be breaking out a brand new 200-megapixel sensor to give its flagship Monarch the biggest camera improvement in years, especially in night photos. We've been following Galaxy S23 rumors since before the Galaxy S22 dropped, and below we've rounded up everything worth knowing about the upcoming device before it officially launches on February 1, 2023. Samsung has now revealed that the Galaxy S23 series will be unveiled on February 1. But you don't even have to wait until then to express your interest, as US buyers can reserve the phones now. The launch event is happening at 10 a.m. PT/1 p.m. ET/6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time on February 1, or 5 a.m. AEDT on February 2 for those in Australia. It will be held in San Francisco but streamed online, so you'll be able to watch it from wherever you are in the world. The Samsung Galaxy S23 and its siblings aren't the only things we're expecting Samsung to show off on February 1, though. Check out our full Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2023 guide for everything that might be in attendance. TechRadars will be covering the launch in full, but if you want to tune in yourself, here's how to watch the Samsung Galaxy S23 launch online live. It's not yet known when the phones will ship, but current rumors point to Friday, February 17. A pre-order incentive also ends on February 16, which all but confirms the February 17 date. While Samsung has kept prices steady over the last two generations, we are hearing there will be changes this year. We'd love to be optimistic and hope Samsung cuts prices on its base model, Galaxy S23, in keeping with the major global cost of living crisis and a possible looming recession. Instead, we're hearing from multiple sources that Galaxy S23 prices could go up. It might depend on the model, though. A thorough price leak suggests that the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will have the same starting prices as their predecessors, $799/£1,249 and $999/£1,549, respectively, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra will cost a bit more than the Galaxy S22 Ultra that came before it. Then again, all three models might cost the same as last year, at least in the US, with another price leak pointing to starting prices of $799.99, $999.99, and $1,199.99 for the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, respectively. Those figures come from what appear to be leaked Verizon documents, so we're confident of their accuracy. Another price leak states that in Australia, the three models will all start at $100 more than their predecessors, which could mean a price hike of between $50/£50 and $100/£100 in other regions. Further leaks for India and most of Europe suggest that Galaxy pricing will be slightly higher this year too. Leaker Roland Kwan has even claimed that the basic S23 could cost as much as 50,000 Turkish lira in Turkey, equivalent to around $2,660/£2,145/$3,740. Yikes. Some components have been scaled back or downgraded, and that could mean Samsung is trying to cut costs or at least match last year's prices in the face of rising supply and shipping costs. As we'll explain, the fingerprint scanner may not get the upgrade we hoped, and even minor pieces like the vibration motor may be scaled back to save money. Some or all of the phones might come with at least 256 gigabytes of storage, which is double the starting capacity of the S22, so you might in some ways get more for your money at least. Though, of course, that change, which we've now heard from multiple sources, could also add to the price. We'll know for sure on February 1. As phone makers have adopted a tick-tock clock momentum of phone launches, this is what we call a talk year. On the tick, we get a whole new look and feel. On the talk, phone makers work on the inside more than the outside. The Galaxy S23 will reportedly look very much like last year's phone on the outside, just not the phone you'd expect. As you can see below, we've now got hands-on footage of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to look at, which confirms that green will indeed be one of the colors that these phones are going to be offered in. The phone that you see being used above matches up with all the leaks and rumors that have come through so far, and the same source has also been sharing pictures of the Ultra model in a cream color. The Galaxy S23 will take design cues from the Galaxy S22 Ultra, if we can believe design leaks, and possibly leaked Galaxy S23 case designs, dummy units, and even leaked marketing images, some of which can be seen below that show a very similar camera arrangement. Instead of a raised camera platform, the Galaxy S23 will likely separate each camera lens and sensor on the back. It's a clean look, and we like it very much on our S22 Ultra. If there's a bigger change, it may be on the flagship Galaxy S23 Ultra phone. Rumors suggest that Samsung will be bending the glass on that phone on all four screen edges. Samsung has been bending the sides of the phone in varying degrees since the Galaxy S6 Edge, but this could be a first for an all-around curve. For colors, we've heard that the Samsung Galaxy S23 series will launch in 4 colors: black, beige, green, and a light pink option. We have seen rumored leaks of accessories matching the enigmatic beige, so expect to see matching kit if you want to accessorize. Another source, meanwhile, points to green as being the signature color for the Galaxy S23, light gold or pink gold being the signature shade for the S23 Plus, and pink being it for the S23 Ultra. Note that the official names of these colors are reportedly cotton flower, botanic green, and phantom black, and more than one source has now mentioned these colors by name. Another recent leak showcases all 3 Galaxy S23 handsets in all their main colors, and from a variety of different angles. See below for details. These look like leaks of official promo images from Samsung as well. A leak has also detailed the possible weights and dimensions, with the Samsung Galaxy S23 apparently being 146.3 by 70.9 by 7.6 millimeters and 167 grams. The S23 Plus listed as being 157.8 by 76.2 by 7.6 millimeters and 195 grams, and the S23 Ultra 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.9 millimeters and 233 grams. Those are all very similar to the weights and dimensions of the S22 series. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.